President Drupadi Murmu launched a state-level program of Year of Positive Change at Prajapita Brahmakumari Ishwariya Vishwa Vidyalaya in Raipur today. G20 Coordination Committee takes stock of security and logistics arrangements of G20 New Delhi Leaders Summit. Chairing the review meeting of the rural banks of Northern Region in New Delhi, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has emphasized on digital capability upgradation of regional rural banks. The central government's innovative employment incentive scheme, the Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana, has exceeded its initial employment generation goals. The border population of the Himalayan frontiers of the country celebrated Raksha Bandhan today with the Indo-Tibetan Border Police.